The Russell County coroner says a woman died from suspected carbon monoxide poisoning after her power was knocked out by the storms Friday night. At this time, it's unclear if this is the same woman Governor Beshear announced has died. Coroner Mark Coots says a woman was found dead at State Dock Marina in Jamestown just before 5 last night. She's been identified as 93-year-old Deborah Edelman. According to the coroner, she asked a neighbor to use a generator after her power went out. Coots says the generator hadn't been used in over a year and put out bad quality air.